Hi, my name is Troy Newcomb. I am with Knapheide Truck Equipment Company, California. We're here at our Tracy, California facility this morning, going to do a walk around on Knapheide's 3,000 pound crane reinforced crane body package. As most of you know, crane trucks can get expensive. We do cranes up to 14,000 pounds that are truck mounted. This particular package is by far our most popular configuration for either entry level or lighter service work. So we'll start this morning with an 11-foot body, 40 inches tall. There are open tops on the street side to be able to access the top of the compartments for some additional storage. This particular package can be mounted on chassis with a 13,000 GVW or greater. This particular one just happens to be mounted on a Chevrolet 3500 HD. So moving to the first compartment, standard shelf package, 2 adjustable shelves with dividers, and each shelf has a rating of 250 pounds. I had mentioned earlier about the opener flip top configuration. To release the flip top, there's a latch inside, opens that for additional storage. Dividers for this compartment are available as well. Second vertical compartment, as you can see, and some of you may be familiar with, our Sortimo by Knapheide product. We have 6 bins in here that are removable for parts, tools, whatever you want to use it for. There are also dividers available for this. Moving to the horizontal compartment. Standard configuration on the horizontal compartment is a full width slide out tray mounted on 250 pound capacity roller bearing slides. Again, with the length of the body at 11 feet, we have 2 lids for the top opening compartments, and there now you can see you have a full top opening compartment on the street side. Moving back to the rear. The rear vertical compartment, again, standard shelf package, 2 adjustable shelves with dividers, and 250 pound apiece capacity on the shelving. Here you'll notice the master locking system. The master locking system is a place where you can lock all the compartments with one motion. Push it, install the padlock that we would supply as a codeable padlock. So a codeable padlock meaning it will code to the ignition of your truck. You take the ignition key, put it in the padlock, turn it back. It now is used to unlock the body the same as you unlock the truck or using the ignition. At the rear is a 24-inch full work deck with integrated V-notch. Any kind of pipe fitting, pipe welding, it's nice to have this V-notch in it to be able to lay your pipe in so things aren't rolling all over the work surface. With the work deck is a full-through compartment, accessible from both sides of the vehicle. Good for digging bars, cutting edges, things that are a little too long to put anywhere else, or you want to keep them in there and under lock and key. Bed area, you'll see that standard slammable tailgate. The body is fully lined with industrial lining, bulkhead, back wrappers, floor, and the inside of the tailgate. 6 D-rings for tie downs inside the bed area. Continue to move around the vehicle. With a 3,000 pound crane package, there is not a need for large outriggers. So one jack leg is provided. Jack leg is here. You drop the pin, lower the jack leg, crank it down, and use the crane. The crane is an electric over hydraulic crane. Max capacity of 3,200 pounds at 3 feet off the center line of the crane. In the compartment you will find a master switch to turn on, which gives power to the crane. Again, this is a crane reinforced body, all ties back into the chassis, so you're getting the torque and all of the twist from the crane in use is going to the chassis and to the jack leg. You can see in here the warning decals, load capacity chart for the crane, gives you the distance, the boom angle. You'll also find the boom angle indicator on the side of the crane boom itself. Also in this compartment is a catch pan. What that is for is any water that would come in through the crane, the center opening around the rotation gear of the crane will be caught in this pan. See a hose that diverts the water down through the bottom of the body and out onto the ground, so you get no water intrusion into this compartment. The crane itself is FM controlled remote, so there is no cable. There is a backup tethered cable if needed. If the batteries go dead in the controller, you can hook it up here, hook it up to the crane, and still be able to use the crane fully functional. The crane itself is full power on rotation, full power on elevation, and the first stage of extension is power extension. The second extension stage is a manual extension. Over here to the horizontal compartment, again, it mirrors the street side compartment, full width slide out tray, mounted on 250 pound capacity roller slides. Again, the vertical compartment, second vertical compartment, 2 shelf standard with dividers, 250 pound capacity. First vertical curbside is your toolbox. You can see 4 3-inch deep drawers, 2 5-inch deep drawers, and 1 7-inch deep drawer. Dividers are provided for the drawers. Single hand, actuated, open, close. Lock in the closed position so they do not come open while you're underway or down the road. Each drawer also has roller bearing slides and a 250 pound capacity per drawer. Part of the package as well, standard 2 work lights, 1 each side, controlled from the cab of the truck. So again, this is our standard 3,000 pound capacity crane reinforced service body. We do have these. We know they're very popular. There's a high demand for them, and we do actually have those ready to mount or mounted to be able to put your truck right to work when the need arises.